Alright, ladies, let's talk about these Sledgehammer tires here. Not belted, really big, but they are lighter than most belted tires, and they're orange, so that means they look cool. Sick jumps. Oh, the baby. It's all oranged out today. I just changed it over from green. I'm thinking about changing the top arms to black. The thing about these tires, I've had a set before. If you get them wet once, they're done. The foam inside will shred and disintegrate and powder off. Your tires will wobble, and that's the end of that. So therefore, I like Traxxas unbelted tires, but then I don't like them. I doubt these will last long. Especially with the Castle ESC, the Mamba monster in it, and its gearing, it just spins. I can get this thing spinning really fast, and that damages the foam inside the tires. So belted tires don't last long. They are a consumable product. See my bash bar. I love the sponginess, the cushion of these landings with these tires. And, the cushiness of everything. I just changed out my front and rear input gears and diff gears, so it's running pretty good right now. Pretty tight. One thing I got on order are the stiff springs from Traxxas. So I think from factory it comes with a tension rating of 2.6, and the springs I ordered are 4.6, so they're double the stiffness. Hopefully that'll prevent it from bottoming out. Because when you're doing big jumps and you add any kind of weight to the RC, it's going to bottom out pretty bad when you jump. And so, in attempts to keep it from hitting the ground, you got to put stiffer springs and a stiffer diff fluid. So I've got 70, not diff fluids, shock fluid. I've got 70 all the way around right now. And I should have went to 80 or even 100 if they say make 100. But I want this thing stiff. I want it to land and not bounce, not bottom out. My servo just kind of fucked up yesterday. It was going really crazy by itself. So I took the receiver cover off, and sure enough, my connections in there, all the wiring started to corrode, and I had to clean them off. I probably should be using some dielectric grease. Should be.